For just use in today's 000webhost.com tutorial. I thought I'd do something basic to help people who are only starting off. Always get things on the forum. How do I upload my website? How do I do this? How do I do that? And why isn't it showing when I go to my website? When I go to this example, when I go to echo whatever the domain is .com, and then they get an index, and they're trying to work out why am I not getting that. So I thought I'd create a couple of files and show basic people who are just beginning off how to do it. So you obviously want to log into your the cPanel with which, and then choose whichever domain from the file list, and then you get this. You want to go to the file manager, log in if it tells you to, open up. Important thing is you don't want to upload here. You've got to upload your files in the public _ HTML folder. So you want to go into this, and if there's anything, if you've just started your account off, there will be a default.php which will have a list, something about the terms of use, and a list of files. You want to delete that. This has just got other stuff in it because a couple of projects I'm working on. But so I created a couple of files straight off. Got a what a common mistake people do is they create a sort of their main page of their site, and they'll call it my index, or my index spelled with 2 eyes there, or my homepage -index.php or something. So I just created a basic one here, and we've got home and about and a couple of links around. But about as I put there. So you want. So bring up I'll show you an example. So we're going to go upload these two files here. Go over to here. We want to go upload. We want to go upload on this one here. Obviously, you can upload the whole site as zip or just upload individual files. We want to jump back down to our main directory, and then choose my index, which is a weird ass name, but I thought I got the point across, and then do that. And we go click here. Upload. The files will upload, even though they're taking ages, because even though they're really small. So we refresh this. Hopefully that's not done it. I don't know, it's being rather slow today, as you can see. My internet is being very slow. Now they've uploaded, we can refresh our page here, and normally if it was called an index.html.php whatever the ending would be, as long as it's something that recognises with a web server, it would load up the page here. So the about one, of course, has gone and worked. If I can find it, about that one works fine, and the other one will work fine with own. But you can't. It won't. See, if I jump here, do that, it won't load up the your home page because you've not named it index. So if we jump back out of this, and the server spins around, everything takes ages. We find your file, click the arrow there, go back up to rename, take off the silly bits on the end, so rename it to index.html.php, depending on what coding language you're using, of course. But if you're a beginner, you're probably using HTML, just to make life easy. Now if we refresh our page, that will come up with a not found, because it doesn't exist. But if we refresh page here, it loads up this page, and then we have our basic title there, hello, and the about, and about us, and about spelled wrong there, and it will go back and forward between those two pages. So that is how to upload a basic PHP website. Also what I'm going to show in this tutorial is how to upload the 000webhost.com's default templates. You should, in theory, if you're going to use these templates, which you obviously want to edit yourself, so let's choose a random template. Go download this one here, and then download again. It will give you a compressed file. I'm not saying really you'd want to actually download if you're going to download these templates, you wanted to probably want to edit them on your local machine before uploading to the server. Twice there. What it will give you, when you open the folder, it will give you another folder in there, give you a 2, and then it will give you the license, the index file, which is the default page. It comes under the Creative Commons, so you can use it. You just have to. It'll have a saying who it's made by at the bottom. Then the index, the default style sheet, and the images. So if I was going to go upload these, I'd go back over to our file manager. I'd close all those. I'd go upload. Select the files there, as in that one over there, the archives. Go upload again. That will whiz through. And this is where we want to jump out. You want to find that folder auto, so we're going to go to /auto, on there, and then we want to go to again, but you can obviously move things around in directories, so it doesn't have to be an auto and set it up as the main one. But for this example, we're going to go to, and it will load up the default design with some information about it and stuff, and some test links, test examples, test pages. And down here, this is the bit you need to leave, designed by free CSS templates, and those you need to leave that at the bottom because of the license. And you may be able to remove the supported by zero, which is not actually that load up their default website, which you may be able to remove. I'm not sure. So anyway, in this video, the web tutorial, I just showed you how to upload a basic HTML file and also upload a basic template from 000webhost.com/templates. For more info or anything else, if you have any questions or anything else, to ask me in the comments below. Check out the other playlist, or check out, obviously, you've got really big problem. Check out 000webhost.com/forum, and I'm sure people will be able to answer your questions there. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you around.